What's up YouTube? Today we're going to align this Drift Corvette with Alex 4G63, the alignment wizard in Las Vegas. The Corvette has a full angle kit from Part Shop Backs or PBM, and the owner drifts Vegas Drift grassroots events. We're just going to jump right in.
Sir, can we keep the Delta? Sorry. You want to waste your time before it says. You don't want something right on the loose. Halfway through your pass. How much power do you make right now? 5 1/4. Wraparound for installed nights. How big do you think his smile's gonna be after he does these donuts? In a little bit.
It's going to be huge, dude.
That's the best part.
What does this front one adjust? I know that'll do caster.
This one's mainly camber.
Camber?
Yeah, so if we start pulling it in, it's gonna raise caster at the same time.
Yeah.
And then you got your quicker caster adjustments.
What do you see in there, man?
Oh, nothing. I'm just going over it.
I hope we get enough adjustment there.
I'm just waiting to see your face after the donuts are gonna be. That's gonna be badass. There's a stock spring that goes right here.
Yep. So right here, Alex actually realized he has to adjust the collars on the suspension to the innermost point. They were set to the outermost point. One thing he has to do before that is adjust the control arms out a bit, because if you just change the collar, then you won't be able to reach the adjustment nuts to adjust the suspension out, and you'll kind of just be stuck with how you have it,
Get a 5
which
degrees
isn't good.
camber. We're at 8.
So what he's going to move is those yellow round collars that you see right on that subframe. He's going to move them to the innermost point, and we're trying to reach 5 negative camber and 7.5 caster. That's usually a good feeling alignment for these drift cars. A little bit extra for the Corvette.
What do we wind up doing for camber and caster?
It's currently reading 5.5, 7.5. But it's still on our first adjustment. Still, we have like another 2 more to go.
Cool.
So this is what it took to get you to a base. So at this right height, we're like almost max, half degree. And this one is nowhere near it. Ready?
Is that already almost there?
Almost.
So he's basically got it dialed in. A little more tweaking. It's crazy though from what it started at.
The turner feels different.
Bump it a couple more times there. Alright, yeah, you are touching there.
I think I'm going more because of my turntable plate.
That's cool. Alright, you're good. You're
Touching?
yeah, so the bump.
More?
Yep, keep going.
More?
Keep going.
More?
Keep going. A little more.
Right there?
This line is fine. There's plenty of line there.
Looks solid.
That's good. It's touching. Jiggle it just a little bit. Come back. That's hitting something else. Oh yeah, though your straw was hitting before it quite hits lock, but it's pretty close.
Yeah. What is?
Your
Oh, the plate?
plate,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that's all I can go with the plate.
film an outro, bro.
Oh. His alignment was shitty and now it's not.